Converting your technical documents into a markup language can be a crucial yet taxing process. It can take hours or days on end. But what if I told you that we were able to reduce the docs conversion time for one of our customers by several hours to a mere few minutes? Want to know more? Keep watching. Hello everyone, I'm your host Majid Khan Burki and I work as a technical writer at Xgrid. In this video, I'll talk about the life cycle of technical documentation and how we were able to overhaul this process for one of our customers. Now, before I begin, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon to receive updates on the latest videos posted by Xgrid. Also make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms and LinkedIn. All the links are in the description box below. Technical documentation is a cyclic process of plan, develop, publish, and maintain. Now, in most cases, if not all, your initial document is in the form of a Word file or something similar. But in order to publish it on the web, you need an HTML file. So your Word file needs to be first processed into a markup language such as restructured text or Markdown, and then further processed into an HTML file ready for publishing. But the problem with this process is that it's redundant. You're doing the same thing multiple times. How? You're preparing your initial draft on a Word document and then you're converting the same content into a markup language. And the other thing, the conversion process to a markup is manual. So suffice to say, it's slow, error-prone, inefficient, and while it can be taxing, you'd be better off doing something else, wouldn't you? But there is a solution to this conundrum. And what is that? It's automation, of course. Wouldn't it be just easier that you just prepare your initial draft, you run a script, and voila. Not only is your Word document converted into a markup language of your choice, but your HTML files are also ready to go and be published. This will save you a tremendous amount of time and money. Doesn't all of this sound awesome? We at Xgrid have been able to automate the process of converting docs from Word file to a restructured text files for one of our customers. Let me demonstrate how we achieved this.
Okay, so this is a demo for the docs conversion process that we automated for one of our customers, how we automated the process of converting a Word document to an RST file and then from an RST file to an HTML file. I cannot use a Word document provided by our customer explicitly, but I made a sample Word document for use. This is the sample Word document. As you can see, it has heading 1, some text, hyperlinks, an image, and another image, heading 2, a table, a note, and see also. Once you've seen the Word document, so let me click on the script, let the script do its thing, and there it is. I'll first go show you the RST file that has been created from the Word file. Let me click on it. And this is the RST file that has been created from the Word file that I just showed you. It has all of the syntax has been used correctly, RST syntax. Now let me show you the HTML file that has been created. And there it is. The text, the links, see, everything works. Click on the image, that works. So everything basically works, and all of this just with a click of a button.
Technical documentation might seem overwhelming, but you cannot deny that it's life-saving. Don't get me wrong, it's bold to embark on the journey of learning things on your own, but it can be frustrating. And you'll just end up reading the documentation anyways, so why not just do it in the first place? And with the libraries like the one we have made at Xgrid, the process of producing flawless technical documents has been made so much faster and so much easier. You're welcome, customers and technical writers.